So the water quality of the Hudson has improved due to the Clean Water Act, but we should still be wary about a thing called PCBs. So it stands for Polychlorinated biphenyls. It's this sort of oily substance that was used as a lubricant for machinery. So a lot of factories used to dump PCBs into the river, and it's sort of a toxin, and it still poses a challenge in the river itself. So it's illegal to dump PCBs into the river, so factories aren't doing it anymore, but it doesn't really break down, so PCBs are still present, and they're still present in the fish. And PCBs have a number of different health risks, so it's advised to be careful about what you eat in the Hudson.
And there are some certain fish that you might want to just stay clear of, just to ensure that you don't get any of these diseases related to the PCBs. So like, for example, you're not supposed to eat American eel or white catfish. There are some fish that you can eat, but just make sure you're abiding by the certain guidelines. Make sure you're not eating it more than once a month. For example, there's smallmouth bass, bluefish. So here you'll see all along the pier and Hudson Valley area these PSAs from the Hudson River Fish Advisory. So if you're ever curious as to what fish you can eat or which you should stay away from, just be sure to find one of these PSA posters, and you can also visit Hudson River Fish Advisory. They have a ton of information on this, and there will also be a number that you can call for additional information.
Yeah, and it's important to recognize that children under 15 shouldn't eat any of the Hudson fish, while I think women under 50 also shouldn't eat the fish, just like fetal development and things like that. So we'll be linking a couple of resources if you want to learn more about PCBs, and of course more on what you can and can't eat out of the Hudson.